Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Yummy Brown of Yommycrochetlogy. So today it's unboxing video. So I have here the Etimo Rose hook, the set of 3. So we will unbox that. I have one gray here and I picked a specific size since 3 is pretty much the hook size that I usually use. So I got different kinds of 3mm, so from 3.5 to 3.75 to 3.25 and of course the 3. Okay, so I've got one gray here. Okay, so we'll unbox these two and we will compare them to my red. So this is what the pocket looks like. Okay, it has its name Etimo and the color which is rosy, and this is the set of 3, and there's also a complete set like the whole sizes of the hook, but I've got the 3. So at the back, this is what you can see. Parts of hook, it says it has a smooth hook tip that really glides. Easy grip shape prevents hands from tiring, so it has a contour for your finger to rest comfortably while crocheting, and of course it's a rubber grip and it's tight, that's why I like it too. And in this set, zip around pouch and the 3 sizes of the hooks, which is 5, 5.5 and 6 needle, and of course in a ruler. And where it's made of, this is a crochet hook with cushion grip made in Japan. And they also have a comparison charts between the metric systems of a Japan and USA. So obviously this is the metric system of the Japan and this is the ones in the USA, and this is a US metric system. Okay, and the side box looks like this. Etimo Rose, Tulip or Rose, and let's open it. Okay, this is what it looks like at the top, and this is the product, and the pouch has the tulip sign or logo, and the ruler is there, and the needle is the back of the hooks. Let's talk about the ruler first. So this is what the ruler looks like, from 0 to 4 inches. It has a cute thing at the back that symbolizes all the crafters. Alright, comparing the three, obviously you can tell that the 5 is a lot tinier. That's the 5, 5.5, 6.5, and this is their hooks look like. you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe and give this a thumbs up, and let me know if you end up buying this beautiful set of crochet hooks. And have a happy holidays.